Hey guys, it's Lindsay. I'm with Bisque Imports. I hope you enjoyed that project that was using some really fun Mako stoneware glazes and Mako on-gobe colors on the bottom. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys, so whenever you do fire stoneware, it does shrink a little bit, so you can kind of see this is before it's been fired and this is after it's been fired, so you can see that difference there. So just wanting to note that it will come out a little bit smaller. And now I'm going to show you guys how to use a watering bell. So that's what this is watering bell. There's holes at the bottom of it. And basically you submerge this in water. You cover it with your thumb to make sure there's a good seal on it. And then you go over your plant and you let your thumb go and it releases that seal, and then the water will rain on your plants. But we'll actually show you how to do that here in a second. So let me move some stuff over. And I also have my lovely assistant, Matt, our graphic designer here at Bisque Imports. And he's gonna show you two different ways to do this. So, make sure that is good. First way you can do it, if you have small hands like I do, my thumb doesn't cover this that well. So I use my palm. So I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna submerge this in water. Let's get some water in there. I'm going to lift this up. I'm gonna put my palm over it to make that seal. See, there shouldn't be any water dripping out. I'm gonna go over to my plant here and let go a little bit, and see, rains on your plant. So that's one way to do it with your palm, if you have small fingers. The other way, we're gonna have Matt do this. You can do it with your thumb. So normally you would submerge this like in your sink or like a large bowl. And there you go. You can do it with your thumb. Anyways, yeah, you would just make sure this is submerged in water. Then you go around to your plants and then just let go whenever you're watering your first plant, and then hold on to it again and it'll reseal and not have any water come out. And then you move on to your next plant. You can go around the house watering your plants with a watering bell. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to check out bisqueimports.com for a bunch of amazing products, and we'll see you next time.